Hi, in this tutorial we're gonna see how we can combine arrays and creating arrays from existing arrays using stacking and concatenation and actually learning how to split an array into equal sized arrays. So the first thing you wanna be doing is importing NumPy as MP and creating two arrays. I'm gonna do a very simple example here and I'm gonna be specifying A1 and A2. So let's say that we want to stack these two arrays vertically. So we can use numpy.vstack and let's see the result. What you do is actually put the one array below the other. And the result would be A1 being on top and A2 being on the bottom. Then we can do a horizontal stacking, meaning adding one array and another array column by column. So what you can see here is concatenating A2 into A1 and returning a new NumPy array. Here we have A1 having the first two columns and then having A2 with its own columns appended into the returning array. Then we have the dot reshape operation, so you can check out, for example, X here. So this is a vector that we are going to be creating for the next example. And let's say that we want to split X into three equal arrays. We can use hsplit, specify the matrix that we want to be splitting and how many parts we want this array to become. So the result will be this array split it into three distinct matrices. So what we can see here, it's really interesting actually, is that we have each of the rows split into three pieces. And the result would be three arrays with each split of each row inside of it. You can also do a vertical split, so you can split X vertically into two distinct arrays. So what's gonna do is take the first row and the second row, split them apart into two distinct arrays. Finally, you can use concatenation of arrays by using numpy.concatenate. Let's check it out. So here, by using the simple concatenation, what you do is actually take array B and append it on the back of A. And you can see that you finally result into a new array that has all the elements inside of it. You can also do you can also specify the axis of the concatenation, so you can concatenate rows to rows or columns to columns.